I'll never forget as well. One evening, he, in front of everybody, he goes, Yellow Nadeem, basically, actually Yellow Nadeem. He got me a white jumper present. It was basically like a present that he'd handpicked.
In the morning when he went on the walk.
From the Trafford Centre.
Yeah, Trafford Centre.
So
He had you in heart and mind.
it was such a nice jumper, you know what I mean? It was
Blessed, yeah.
obviously in the middle of winter, I think it was. So it was a nice, thick, you know what I mean, nice, thick, white, creamy jumper. And I'll obviously never forget that. I kind of almost broke down that why would he do that for me?
Brilliant.
You know,
It's the love in it.
Yeah.
Plus, they knew, you know,
They knew.
They had the vision in the future.
I think he visualized us sitting
he
here
visualized
right
this,
now.
obviously,
He
yes,
visualized
yes,
this.
yes.
He visualized this.
Yeah.
He visualized this.